Today's going to be a good day. However, there's a big climb about 250 k's away, so we're planning on trailering the first 260 kilometers, and then we'll be driving up from there as far as we can until time limits us back to the trailer again. Yeah, most of the tricky parts were the uphills, basically, but it hasn't been too bad. We've been averaging about 60 kilometers per hour, which isn't bad considering the amount of elevation that we've had to climb up from Cape Town.
Yesterday, actually, we had a milestone that we actually got. Yesterday, we got the highest speed of 103 kilometers an hour, it was the first time getting to it. And we used to say that our top speed was 80, but not anymore. It's actually 103 now. And then today it's been running quite well. All the downhills, we took them well. All the uphills, we took them extremely well. And then from now on, we're still gonna run on the uphills. I think we're still gonna do pretty well today.
Today was actually quite nice. The weather really helped us, it was sunshine all the time. We thought it was going to be cloudy. That's why we tried to save, the energy inside the battery yesterday. But yeah, it was really nice. It's quite been nice, everything was okay. We had a couple of challenges halfway through, especially with the rivaling team, the other Japanese team. But yeah, we made it perfectly well until now. Tomorrow will be, as usual, maybe a perfect day, perfect sunlight maybe, and yeah, we'll do our best.
Oh no, today went very well. We started with no batteries at all, so we were all a bit worried, and somehow with absolutely no batteries, we managed to do 240 kilometers, which I think will be, well, it's less than the Japanese teams, but it's certainly, I think, more than any of the other South African teams did. So very well. By now we sort of started expecting it to take the lead among the South African teams. Of course, we'd love to be able to get up there with the Japanese a little bit more, but yeah, at least we're leading the South African teams. I think our secret was that we built the car to a large extent for reliability. So where there was a decision to be made between a little bit more efficiency or a little bit more reliability, because they're often at loggerheads, we usually chose reliability. Of course, we didn't sacrifice efficiency altogether, but I think reliability is key to a great extent. Tomorrow, I expect we are really hoping to do 300 kilometers. Unfortunately, because we haven't quite cracked 300 kilometers yet, we've almost got there, but we just keep missing 300 in a day. I'm hoping that tomorrow we can crack that. We have a little bit more batteries left over tonight than we did last night. So yeah, I'm hoping we can crack 300 tomorrow.